Hello everyone, this is my review of the Saika TR Ultrasonic Essential Oil Diffuser. It looks really sleek and modern, the kind of diffuser that doesn't stick out like a gadget, but blends in with your home decor. I put it on my nightstand, and it fits in perfectly. The setup is straightforward. You add water, a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and turn it on. No complicated instructions, no fuss. I was using it within a minute. It puts out a fine, steady mist that fills the room without being too strong or noisy. I can sniff a gentle scent throughout my bedroom or living room without it fogging up everything. Another big plus is the quiet operation. Even on higher mist settings, it doesn't buzz or hum, which makes it great for winding down at night, meditating, or just relaxing after a long day. Because it's ultrasonic and water-based, the scent isn't as intense or concentrated as a candle or direct inhalation. It's more subtle and ambient, which most people will like. But if you want a super strong aromatherapy kick, you might add a few more drops or pick more potent oils. Also, you'll want to clean it periodically so buildup doesn't affect performance. But that's true of most diffusers. Overall, if you want an easy-to-use diffuser that looks good, runs quietly, and fills your space with a pleasant scent without drama, the Sacatr diffuser is a solid choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.